Okay, so we got this, negative 36 divided by 30. What I do first is I say, okay, I know we have a negative here and no negative here. So that means the answer is going to be negative. And after I do that, I just forget about my negatives, because honestly, it's just too much. So we have 130, and our goal is to get 36. And you're like, okay, well, I'm really close, you know? Like, how far am I really away? I'm 30, and I want 36. Well, it's just 6 away. So if I get 6, I'm going to be golden. Now, some people say, oh, I need to shrink this down to get to 6. You don't need to. All you need is a 6 and a bunch of zeros, and we can work from there. Well, if that's the case, Mr. Schneider, if I double 30, I get 60, and that becomes 2. And you can get from 60 to 6 by dividing by 10. So then 2 divided by 10 is 0.2. So now there's our answer. 30 and 6 is 36. So 1 and 0.2 is 1.2. And that's my answer. Oh, not quite. You're right. Forgot about the negative. Boop-a-doo-doo. Negative 1.2. There we go. Okay, let's look at some more. Okay, so we have one negative, so the answer is going to be negative, so I can ignore this. We have 115, and our goal is to fit it into 42 15s. Well, we double it, we get 30. Oh, we're super close. We're like 12 away. Well, if we add 2 plus 1, we get 3. And if we had 30 then plus 15, we get 45, which is even closer. Oh man, like how far are they away? That's the tactics I always use. If I get close, I just want to know how far they are away. Well, they're 3 away. So I could do, 45 minus 3 and gets 42. Remember, if you don't know how to get 3, you don't need to get 3. You need to get a 3, and with some zeros, that's fine too. Well, if that's what I need, Mr. Schneider, look at this. If I double 15, I get, oh, I already have the work here. Sorry. So I already have the work right here. I have 30. So I can say, okay, 30 divided by 10 gives me 3. 2 divided by 10 gives me 0.2. So 45 minus 3 is 42. 3 minus 0.2, you can pause it if you want to do the math, 2.8. And it was a negative, so it's a negative 2.8. Okay, let's do one more. 132, and your goal is to get 40 of them. Geez, well, this is harder, Mr. Schneider. You're right, but that's what makes it cool. Let's see here. What if... Oh, yeah. So how far away, really, is 32 from 40? Well, it's 8. 32 plus 8 is 40. I wonder if we can get to 8. Let's try. Let's try cutting in half. That's another strategy we can do. Half of 32 is 16, and half of 1 is 0.5. Oh, 16 can get you to 8. If you divide that by 2 again, and divide 0.5 by 2, you get 0.25. So, 32 plus 8 is 40. 1 plus 0.25 gives you 1.25. And it's a negative. There we go, good job.